Hi, my name is Anna Soldana, and I'm an onboarding customer success manager here at Sprout Social. Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to avoid post-failure. We know post-failure is an inconvenience that we hope to not encounter, but it can happen from time to time. I want to walk you through some best practices to help you avoid this issue and understand what steps to take if it does occur. To begin, if a post-failure happens, you will receive an email notification. You will also see a notification in Sprout found by clicking on what is usually a bell icon located on your universal taskbar on the right-hand side. If notifications are pending, the icon will be a triangle with an exclamation mark to give you the indication that there is something that needs your attention. Some common reasons for post-failure could be that the social profile to which you attempted to post on is disconnected from Sprout. Occasionally, a profile connected to Sprout becomes disconnected and it requires reauthorization. This typically occurs due to a network requirement rather than an issue with your Sprout account. As long as you have your early reauthentication notifications turned on, you can get ahead of that issue by reauthenticating as soon as possible to avoid those sudden post-failures. Errors that cause post-failure can differ from network to network. It can be due to the native network experiencing internal server issues or due to the attached media file not meeting the upload requirements. To help you avoid post-failure, use Sprout's help article media upload types and size limits to guide you through the types and size of media Sprout supports according to each network's API. Also, when scheduling your content in Sprout, let's go ahead and get to one of those posts. So in here, at the very bottom, you will see a warning if your media is not meeting the appropriate requirements. Ensure that your video, image, or media file size is within the proper size limits. Once you verify that all of this checks out, schedule your post accordingly. If your post failure occurs or reoccurs, we are here to help you. Reach out to Sprout Support by clicking on the question mark located on the bottom right hand. Click on Support and then Contact Us. You can either live chat for real-time support or submit your request, and a Sprout support member will contact you via email to provide you further assistance. I hope that you found this helpful, and thank you so much for tuning in today. We'll see you next time. Bye.